Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to make some more AN lines and take the files for a drive. Stay tuned. Alright guys, the hose, 3 meter hose showed up. Got the 3 fittings here for the catch can and the intake. So tonight, it's Thursday night, I'm going to make the line that goes to the block breather. It comes across to this one here. So I'm going to most likely run it through here under the manifold and over to the breather down there. And then we'll take it for a drive tomorrow, and then tomorrow night we'll do some welding on this pipe here. So I'll be welding a 10 AN bung onto that, and then we're making the hose from here. It goes around, down, and into there, and then we can put the airbox, or that one, in permanently. Then I'll have to work out what filter I'm going to get, then we can put the one on top. But yeah, so tonight I'm just going to be making that one line. It's getting a bit late and it's a bit cold out here, so let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so I've got it going through and it's on. It's not clamped on, just need to get the length. So I'll probably go under. It's not even tight. Oh no, it's stripped. Oh. Let's work that out. Damn it. It's kind of an easy kind of thing. Put this on. Alright guys, got the tape on there, so I'm going to cut it right in the middle of the tape. That should put on there. Oh, pretty damn good. And I'll have to sort out the egg AC. I'll just maybe drill it and tap it. Yeah, we'll get the angle grinder out and chop that. So we'll cover up here so nothing falls in there. Alrighty, it's chopped. Clean it up a bit and pull it out. And clean it up a bit. Get rid of that. Whoop. And we'll put this on. Alright, so we've got that part on. Then we need to feed the 90° in and screw it on. These are airflow fittings. These go on quite well. So let's do that, and we'll get a hose clamp for the other end. And yeah. Alright, before I get back to that line, I just put another bolt in here. The one that was in there was this one, and just found a bolt that was the same length, but it had thread the whole way, and it went in there fine. So we're all good. Alright guys, got the line made. I need to feed it under the manifold and attach it. Okay boys, get it on. I did try to put it under, it just bent a little bit too much. I think that looks a lot better, a lot more straight. It's like bend, bend, bend. So that's on there with the hose clamp. Yeah. Guess I could put the fitting, the hose end, should I say, onto here. We all know it's good to be on there. So that one is going from here along here, pretty much following this one, but it will go into this section here. Still need to put a filter on the end of this, but that'll also depend on the location of the filter, most likely mushroom filter for there. Might go out for a drive like this, just with the catch can open. So there may be a little bit of smoke that'll be from there and or here. But while it was running in the garage the other night from last video, there was no smoke, so should be alright. Now we have head breathers and block breather all run. Just don't have the vacuum side of it yet. So we'll come back tomorrow night after work. It's about 5:15, 5:30, and we'll get her out for a little drive, see how it goes. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, I'm back. It's Friday after work. Got my little face shield thing that we need to wear here in Melbourne, just in case I do need to get out of the car. So get the garage door open, start it up, connect the phone to OBD, and see if we can log some of this drive. So like I said before, I've got all of the catch can hooked up except for the vacuum part of it here, which we'll do later tonight. But yeah, let's do it. I've checked the water that was down a little bit, so I've got to work out why that is. Oil was good, so let's do it. Alrighty guys, hopefully it's an alright view. Hope it's not too dark. I'll open up the windows. Little drive. Push, 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 push. So quiet. It's good. Lights on. actually put the inner guards back. I'm in second gear. No stall, no stalling, no stalling. Wow. Smoky. I did drop some water before, but let's have a look. Stopped. Something's dripping. Alright guys, so we've got some coolant. I can hear coolant, I can see coolant. My phone light out. I can hear it. That better not be radiator. I know, I'll look for it later. This is going to go out for a walk, so be back later. Alrighty guys, I'm back out here. It's about 10 o'clock now, so unfortunately I'm not going to do this line here tonight. I'll do that tomorrow, so that'll be next episode, and I'll look for that leak. Maybe that's why the water's disappearing. Yeah, it's down quite a bit. I'm gonna find where that water is going. Hopefully it's not a head gasket. I tried to get the log off the phone, and you can email it, but I just couldn't. So I don't know. What are your thoughts on logging? Should I get like a cable, and I'd have to buy a laptop? I've got a MacBook, but battery's dead on it, and I don't want to brick my ECU because, yeah, the MacBook would turn off. So yeah, I think I might go down that route. Just get a cheap, small laptop for like $350, something like that. Get the Tastrix cable or something like that, something similar. That can hook up to the OBD port and to the PUDA, and at least log it, and not so much tune it, just log it. You know, get used to doing all that stuff. Oh, so tired. But with that being said, let's see what boost I got up to. Alright, we're back in. 6 or 7. Oh, we got two on the GT35 and 6.5 overall. So not much. Wasn't really revving it that hard. Obviously you've already seen the footage. I'll have to go edit and check it out myself, and yeah, that was a good run. Felt nice and smooth. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this episode here. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.